Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. Rain's going to be coming soon, and a lot of it. They said here in California, I'm in Central California, Zone 9B. You could already see the dark clouds coming in. It's going to be raining for maybe 5 days straight. So, there's that. So, something very interesting before the rain starts. I've been taking a lot of pictures and trying to do some more videos that I need to edit a whole bunch, because if I'm stuck in the house, for quarantined and stuck in the house from my garden because of the rain, I'm gonna really go stir crazy. So I have work to do with all these videos and photos. Now in regards to my mangoes, there's something interesting that I didn't even think about. I've gotten some pushback about, 100% sure these mangoes are going to die. 100% Moses. And even on Instagram, people were going, well, I don't know about this. I've gotten a lot of I don't know about this. One was a cherimoya. And that's where I'm going to lead first. I'm going to go with first, and then I'm going to go to the mango. Okay. I'm going to do it very quickly because it's kind of cold. The cherimoya was over here a long time ago as an El Bumpo. Okay. The El Bumpo was planted in around March, right here. I'll link up in the videos up here of it growing and whatnot. So it had all year to grow its roots out. And at 36 degrees, it died. Around 36. You know, it had a little bit of a light frost under that, but at 36, I saw it going black. And then I could never revive it from there. It just kept on dying down, the graft, that is, all the way down. Okay? That was all year from March all the way till January, end of January. So what is that? I don't know, 9-10 months of growing, okay? 9-10 months of growing, and it died at 36 degrees, or started to really severely get injured at 36 degrees. Maybe it died at 32, but at 36, it was gone to me. I gave up on it at 36 because it was turning black. Okay, remember that. Okay, cherimoya. Now the rootstock is just growing. This never defoliated in the winter. The rootstock of a cherimoya is amazing. I'll just walk quickly to it. As you can see, beautiful leaves. And here are the last year leaves. Didn't even defoliate in the winter. So this is really a trooper. This will be at least 10 feet tall this year, or maybe more. The mangoes were planted. You can see the growth. I tipped the top of it to get it bushier already. Right here, let me zoom in. Focus. And you can see already that the nodes are pushing out growth already. Every one of them is growing that little bump at that node, so it's pushing growth. And here's the Glen. I planted these, and the next day, remember I said the cherimoya had all year to grow. I planted these seedlings, and the next day, I didn't even think about this, everyone. I should have made a video immediately. The next day, it was 37 degrees. No damage. That was, if I'm wrong, I'll put it in the video, but I think about a week ago I planted this. About a week ago. Okay? And the next day I planted, it was 37 degrees. And no damage. So the people that live here told me, that ones that have big mangoes, they said get a Glen and get a Manila. Here's the Glen. And yeah, there it is. Those are the two. So if they could handle 37 degrees, now I know 37 degrees isn't 32 or 30 or 28. I know that. I can count. But at 36, the cherimoya died. At 36, that El Bumpo died. And at 37, a newly planted mango or mangoes didn't even get harmed at all. So this is going to be really interesting. Really interesting. And when the winter comes, I'm going to protect these guys. I'm going to make a bigger greenhouse. I'm going to get the fire pit right over here, barbecue right over there, When it hits like 30, 32 degrees or 28 degrees or 27 or 29, let them burn hot, cover them up, and they're going to produce 2 to 3 hours of heat during the middle of the night when it's the coldest. I'm not going to let these go. The first 3 years, they're going to be babied. Because after that, I'm going to have big bragging rights. Being one of the only ones where I live to grow mangoes. Already my neighbors have told me, they go, you're crazy if you're growing a mango. Well, the crazy ones are the ones that find out what works or what doesn't. Happy gardening, everyone.